Hey guys, Varun Marathi here. How you all doing? So as you all know, the Amazon Prime Day is going to be there tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and also there is a sale which is happening on Flipkart from 6 to 10. So these are the deals which I think you should watch out for, and because these are going to be the ones which are going to be sold out really early. So I'll just let you know which are the best deals which are available on mobile phones right now. So starting with Amazon over here, I would say the first brilliant deal that you can't miss is the OnePlus 7T. It normally retails for around 40,000 rupees. Right now it's also going at 38, I guess. But in this Prime deal, you will get it for 35,999, which is 36,000, basically 2,000 off. And you'll also get an extra exchange offer as well. And if you have some specific cards, you can get more off on this. So this is a really good deal, considering that it is having the flagship Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, the beautiful 90 Hz AMOLED display, and we have the OnePlus Oxygen OS Beauty again. So I think in place of Nord, this if you are willing to pay a little bit more, you are going to get a flagship performance in terms of OnePlus 7T. Another best deal which is over here is the iPhone 11. I would say this is more or less going to be retailing for around 60,000 rupees, which is 59,900, and it's a really great deal because you're getting a discount of around 7 to 8,000 depending on the price which is going at right now. And it's a fabulous entry level iPhone, I would say, with the powerful A13 Bionic chip. So anyone is looking to buy an iPhone, I would suggest this is really good deal. Now going ahead, I would say these are all normal deals where you get 1,000 or 1,500 rupees off. But the one which I am really excited about is this, which is the Redmi K20 Pro. Now this one, it's again a flagship processor, Snapdragon 855, and we have this beautiful display without any punch hole or a notch. There is a pop-up camera over here. It's a massive battery, and it is definitely a flagship device at a price of 23,000 rupees, which normally retails for 25,000. So you have 2,000 off over here again. So according to me, that's a really good deal. Now when you come to premium phone, this is another best deal that you can look. It's OnePlus 7T Pro. It normally retails for 48,000 Indian rupees, but this variant will be available for 44,000 Indian rupees, 4,000 off. We can also get some extra discount depending on the card you are having, and this is a great deal considering the overall package that you have. This is a proper flagship from OnePlus, and you get those beautiful display, which is again no notch, no punch hole, and the flagship processor. So definitely this is the one to look for. Now if you want to buy a non-Chinese brand and a flagship device, I would suggest the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. Both of these deals are amazing. Right now S10 is at 50,000 rupees, so you are definitely getting around 6,000 discount on this. It's a really good phone, again with beautiful AMOLED display, and it's a 1 year old phone, but it definitely holds out because this was the best Galaxy S series. It's even better than S20 considering what S20 what has happened to S20. And again S10 Plus, this is a bigger phone, 6.4 inch, again with this beautiful dynamic AMOLED display, and this again is the one you should look out for. There's a huge discount, which is we will get it at 53,000. And yeah, so that's about it basically on this side of things, because these are the devices which I am really excited for. So Flipkart is also having a big savings day sale, which will be there from 6 to 10th again. So it will start tomorrow, basically today at 12. So here again, I think these are the best deals. They have very well highlighted it. If you can get an iPhone 10R or XR, whatever you call it, for 45,000 Indian rupees. So this will more or less make it the second cheapest iPhone in terms of the value which is there. iPhone SE still being the one with the lowest price, but this is again a very good deal if you are looking for an iPhone XR, an entry level iPhone if you will. This is still really great deal with A12 Bionic chip, so this is not a very old chip, and this can compare to the iPhone 11 as well. So this is one really good deal which you can look for a great discount. Going forward over here, iPhone SE. So as you can see, this is the very least expensive iPhone which is there in India, which is at 37,000 Indian rupees, the basic price. And if you want a powerful iPhone, I would say with the latest chipset in it, this is the one to go for. But in terms of design and everything, this is not definitely a modern device. You will feel that you are using a device which is 5 years old because of the bezels and all. But if you want an iPhone and you do not want to spend a lot of money, I think there's a good gap of 10,000 between this and XR, so you can purchase iPhone SE definitely. Again, if you want a flagship processor at a price of Nord, so this Realme X2 Pro is definitely the contestant for it. It is going to be available at 28,999, which is roughly 3,000 rupees of a discount. And as you can see over here, this is a really good device in terms of the specifications. You again get 855 plus in this. It's a 90 Hz display, ultra smooth display. We have 50-watt superbook charging and a decent camera setup, I would say. So I would say this is a really good deal in terms of competing with Nord in a way. So definitely I would say that you can go for this. So the next great deal, as I said, that it's available on Amazon as well, but if you are unable to get it from Amazon, I think here again the Redmi K20 Pro is available at 23,000. It's a really good deal for a flagship processor, and when you compare it to the Nord, as you can see, as you have heard and read many places, at 855 is still better than the 765G which is there in the Nord. So if you want a processor with flagship performance, I guess this phone will do the deal for you. So it's 23,000. It is cheaper than the cheapest Nord as well. So this is a definite win-win for both. Going ahead, I would say another best deal is this one, which is over here, iQOO3. Now this is a flagship killer kind of phone. This is not a very well known brand, but in terms of specifications and what you get for the specifications and the price, I would suggest that this is a really good deal if you are a gamer, if you want an 865 processor phone. And this also has that small monster gaming buttons on the top edge, which you can change and fiddle with. So this is definitely a really good phone for the price. At 34,990 we are having a discount of around 3,000 rupees, so definitely check out that. Basically, yeah guys, these were the best deals that you can get on both the devices. Again, now this is a new launch, so I am really excited about this phone because again of the flagship processor that this phone brings in. There's no discount on this, but in terms of the pricing that what it's providing, again it's providing 855 plus processor, which is a really good processor. We have a 120 Hz smooth display, so this is one of the cheapest flagship phone to have 120 Hz display, AMOLED display on this. And this is a really good deal. So yeah guys, these were basically all the deals which I wanted to show you, because these are going to be really hot, and as soon as the sale starts, I think these are the phones which are going to be sold out early. So if you're looking for these devices, add them to your cart right now. I will try to provide link of them in the description below, so when you will open it tomorrow, I guess that's the time you will get it at the price which is mentioned. So definitely go and check them out, and if you like the video guys, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that I can bring you more such videos. Happy shopping.